Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to explore the Brooklyn 99 TryHackMe room, and this room is mainly aiming for the beginner level hackers, but anyone can try to hack this box. And there are two main intended ways to root the box, and we are going to explore the two main intended ways to root the box also. So let's begin. So you have to start this mission. So this room is aimed for beginners level hackers, but anyone can try this box. So yeah, we are going to explore the two internet ways to root this box. If you find more, DM me in the Discord at this F Society 2006. Okay, anyways, we have to find the user flag, and we also have to find the root flag. So other than that, we don't have any hints available in this room. So the user flag's hint is Jake, and the root flag hint is sudo is a good command. So anyways, it will take a little time for getting IP addresses. In the meantime, let me show you our channel, Cyberark. So you have to subscribe to our channel because that is much appreciating. So moreover that we also have a playlist for you to learn ethical hacking for free. Yes, we have a playlist. If you don't even know a beginner level ethical hacking, or if you also know some of the ethical hacking concepts, still you can just go for here. And this is a playlist which teaches you ethical hacking from zero to hero, and that's great. So we have more than 100 plus videos in this particular playlist. You can see we have 170 plus videos as of now, and it will get updated day by day. So anyways, we also have some other playlists. So this is something that you should definitely need to explore. Yes, if you're curious about learning ethical hacking, then you have to explore, and you have to do some walkthroughs also. Okay, so anyways, I am also providing you some task. Other than walkthrough, I just created some task and provided it to you. So the decode and train like a hacker, you can just watch that out and perform the task and comment down below. And you can also contact us through the Instagram. So if you have any doubt, or if you have any suggestion, or if you want to talk with me, so that's it. So anyways, we are in. We have the IP address. We are going to open the terminal, perform the basic nmap scan, just nmap, then IP address. So this will give us some little information. So I'm just enumerating the service version and the script scanning. So we have three ports open. One of them is FTP, the next one is SSH, and the third one is HTTP. So if you perform a script scan, then in FTP, if it allows anonymous login, then you will be able to get information in the script scanning results. As you can see, FTP unknown script was run, and we were able to find that the anonymous login was allowed in this FTP, and there is a file called node2jake.txt available there. So from the hint below here, so here you can see Jake. So there is something that is useful for us is hidden in the FTP. So what we can do is to log in to FTP. So with the username anonymous, and you can just enter the password. Then it's you can just press enter. You don't have to enter any password, so it will successfully log in. So yeah, when I enter ls, I was able to see the note. I'm just not going to download this. Instead, I'm just going to view using the less command, and this is from Amy. Amy is sending this message to Jake. Please change your password. So Amy is a person who is sending Jake to change his password. It is too weak, and Holt will be mad if someone hacks into the 99. So there are three usernames that we were able to find from here. One of them is Amy, the next one is Jake, and the third one is Holt. Amy is sending to Jake if you have to change your password because Jake's password is so weak. And if Holt's know this, if Holt is some kind of major person or thing. So anyways, if Holt will be mad if someone hacks into the 99. So yeah, this is the Brooklyn 99, right? So anyways, I'm just exiting from here, and the password in this case is weak. So other than that, other than FTP, we also have SSH. So we can just perform SSH brute forcing using the Hydra tool. And we also have a username called Jake, whose password is weak, right? So we can just use the Hydra -L, and the username in this case is Jake, and minus capital P for specifying the password list. If you want to enumerate weak passwords, if you are going to crack some weak passwords, then you most probably use the rocket.txt word list, which is located in user share word list directory in Linux. So after that, you can specify the IP space SSH Okay, the SSH brute forcing was started, and we were able to get the password of Jake. So you can just log in as Jake SSH username and IP, and we also have the password which is 9876544321. That's it. Now we are logged in. So unfortunately, we don't have any informations here. We have a bash history. Let me check if there is something available in the bash history, and I don't have permission to view that. So I'm just moving back and listing files, listing the persons in the home directory, and we have Amy, Holt, and Jake. So Amy sent a message to Jake to that his password is weak, and Holt will be mad if someone gets hacked into the 99. We are hacked into 99, and Hold will be mad. So yeah, let me go to the Holds directory, because we yeah, as expected, Hold has a user.txt, because Hold is somewhere something, because he will be mad if someone gets hacked into this. Oh, yes, if Amy's password or Holt password or Jake's password may be weak, maybe someone gets access into the 99, right? So anyways, we were able to get the user flag, and our aim is to become a root, right? So we have to find the root flag. So let me list the privileges using -l, and we were able to get the binary called less. So we can just go for the GTFO bins website and search for less, and and we have this sudo command here. We have to open the sudo command in this case. So you have to use sudo, then this one, and we have this. So then the next command, pasting that out. Now I think I'm just root. I don't know. Let me paste. Yes, now I'm just root. Now I can just move to the root directory and view the flag of the root and become root. But anyways, there are two ways that we can enumerate into this mission. This is one of the way, right? So I'm just exiting from root or from this. Okay, because I have to find all those ways, because that's the purpose of pen testing, not just answering to this question, but also the finding multiple ways to get into the system, right? So yeah. Anyways, from the nmap results, we accessed FTP, we accessed SSH, and we also have HTTP. So that's something that we doesn't access right now. So yeah, we can just try to visit the IP address entered in the URL, and we were able to see this is Brooklyn 99. So from here, this example creates a full page background image. Try to reset. So anyways, I'm just going to view the page source. This is important in pen testing. So have you ever heard of steganography? So yeah, there is something hidden in the image, and we also have the name of the image. The name of the image in this case is also available in the source code, right? It's brooklyn99.jpg. So how can I access it? Like I'm just putting a slash and the image name in the URL, and boom guys, I was able to access the image. So I'm just going to download that using the wget command, and that's it. I was able to download that. Let me use the binback command and the brooklyn99.jpg. So from here, I don't have any much information. So let me use the steg hide command for extracting anything from the image. If it doesn't have any password, then we were able to extract so easily. But unfortunately, I could not be able to extract data, because compressed data is corrupted, and steg hide cannot uncompress data. Maybe there is something hidden there, and but this tool does not be able to extract data. So we also have a tool to perform steg cracking, which is called stegseek, which is a great tool. If you don't know the password, then you can use this tool. It's simple to use, like stegseek space the image, that's it. So yeah, how fast it is. It was able to crack the password so faster. So as you can see, it was able to find the password. In this case, it's the password is admin, and the original file name inside this particular image hidden. The file name is node.txt, which was extracted by this tool, and the new extracted tool, the content extracted by this tool is saved as Brooklyn .jpg.out. So let me view that, and here it is. We have the password, Holds password. We were able to get the password of Holds, which is somewhat the admin, right? So yeah, anyways, we were able to get his password. So now, yeah, as expected, we can just log in using Hold at target IP. So I'm just moving to find the target IP in this case. Okay, and we have to enter the password, copying and pasting it here. That's it. So this is the second way that they told us to gain access. As expected, we were able to become a Holt user, but we have to become root user. That's the main thing, right? So we have been nano is there, so we have to search for the exploits of nano. So let me use the nano here in this. So I'm just nano, I have the sudo, and here you can see I have to use nano. So yeah, you have to put sudo. That is a great practice if you are using sudo. Okay, sudo nano. After that, it is saying us to use capx, oh sorry, cap r and cap x. So that pretty much means that you have to use this one, right? So you have to press control and r, and then control and x. So yeah, you have to press control r, control x. So that is what it means. Okay, so after that you have to copy and paste this entire command. So I'm just pasting it out, pressing enter. Yes, guys, you can see the hash here. I'm just root. So now when I enter who am I, as you can see, I'm just root. Just pressing enter. Now you can see hashes everywhere. Who am I? I'm just root. So now we can move to the root directory, list the files, and cat root.txt. Now we have the root flag, the creator name. Congratulations in rooting Brooklyn 99, and we have the flag. So this is a cool room, right? So anyways, I think you were able to learn a something new from this video, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And don't forget the subscribe button, guys, and thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.